Nobody handles maintaining maintenance and club memberships agreements better than ThermalGrid. And let me show you why. So you're simply going over to our report section. We're going to select the memberships option. And then from there, we have we have a couple of different options. So since I'm here, you're also able to send out a mass email to your entire client database if you would like. Go ahead and select clients who do not have an active membership, run that report. Let's go ahead and let them know the benefits of our offering. You'll click here, give us a call. Let us come out and maintain that equipment to keep it up to factory fresh conditions to avoid those costly repairs. Once you generate those maintenance contracts and club memberships, you're also going to be able to easily and effectively maintain those visits. You're able to come over here and select the specific time frame you'd like to search for those visits within. You're also able to filter this by the plan. We also have this quick report where once a month you're able to come in to the quick report. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is due next month. So we know we have 12 visits to take on next month. Instead of calling all of these clients one by one, let's go ahead and just send them all a text and/or email. Now, all of your clients will receive the same message, but it's not the same message. So for example, dear Tom, dear Jeff, we're going to pull in the client's first name, also their unit type. Hey, maintenance on your furnace, on your air handler. Click here, give us a call, let us know what day and time works. So they're going to go ahead and give you a call and also use your online scheduling portal if that is set up to get those visits scheduled. Another very cool feature with our club memberships, you're actually able to run a report and figure out what do we need to have on hand to to go ahead and complete these visits. So for the report I just ran, I know I need to order in 16 by 25, pleated filter, some UV bulbs, so on and so forth. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions whatsoever, 1-800-592-3611. Thank you.